Hello, it's Kathy the art teacher. Today's drawing video is about how to draw a scarecrow face. The tutorial comes from my website, Art Project for Kids, which I hope becomes your favorite place for finding easy step-by-step drawing lessons. Over the years, it has helped millions of kids learn how to draw. Please check out my videos, and if you like them, hit that like and subscribe button that's up in the corner. It really does help me make more of these. Now let me show you my favorite way to draw a cute and easy scarecrow face. So if you know how to draw a triangle, circle, square, and maybe a few curved lines or two, you can definitely draw this scarecrow. The large face makes it extra easy if you're just learning how to draw. Let's get started. The supplies you're going to need are drawing paper, pencil, eraser, black marker, and crayons. You can also download this matching PDF tutorial from my website. Before you begin your drawing, it really helps to first make some guidelines on your paper. By simply folding and creasing your paper in half in both directions, you'll have guidelines that match my tutorial, which really help as you draw each step. Step number 1. Start by drawing one side of a U shape on the right side of the paper. Then finish the U with a matching shape on the left side. Step number 2. Draw a large curved line on the top to start the hat. Now add the curved edge for the brim on the right side. And then do the same for the brim on the left side. Step number 3. Notice the side of the head on the right and continue that line above. And do the same on the left side. This will help you match the size of the hat to the size of the head. Step number 4. Connect the top with a curve to complete the hat. Now draw a triangle with a circle inside for the right eye. And do the same for the left eye. Step number 5. Draw 2 matching circles for the cheeks. And connect them with a large U shape for the mouth. Step number 6. Add a little lines along the mouth to look like stitch lines. Draw a triangle in the center for the nose. Step number 7. For the straw hair, you can add some wiggly lines coming down from under the hat. Try to draw them going in different directions so they look just a little bit messy. Step number 8. Now you can start the shirt with one side of the collar on the right, and then draw a matching collar shape on the left side. Now draw a line on the right and left for the shoulders. Then draw 2 circles with dots for the buttons. Now scarecrows are famous for having old clothes, so I'm going to add a patch to the hat. And a patch to the shirt. And a pocket on the left side. On second thought, I'll add some stitch lines to this too. The more patches, the better. Step number 9. Okay, the drawing is done. It's time to start tracing everything with my black marker. Trace it slowly so you can stay right on top of those pencil lines. And when you're done, it's a good time to erase any extra pencil lines that might still be showing. Okay, it's time to color. I'm going to start with a bright orange for my scarecrow's face. Try to color carefully so that none of that white paper shows through. Those triangle eyes are going to be blue. And I'm coloring the nose yellow. And then adding 2 pink cheeks. I found a nice gold color for the hat. Hopefully it will make it look more like a straw hat. And I think I'd like the shirt to be really bright. So I'm going to color it all in violet. But I'd like those patches to look a little bit older, so a gray might help do that. But feel free to use any colors that you want. My buttons are going to be bright green so they really stand out. And I'll start the sky with my favorite light blue. I'm going to color my background in solid, but feel free to add some clouds to yours. And there you have it. This Scarecrow face drawing is done. I like how the large U shape makes it really easy to add a hat on top. The shapes are all big and easy and nothing had to be erased. That's always useful when you are just learning how to draw. Hey, thanks for following along with me, and I hope you've enjoyed this drawing video tutorial. I have even more drawing tutorials like this one on my website, Art Projects for Kids, including how to draw a pumpkin and how to draw a fall tree. I hope you check them out too. See you next time.